the review of Studying Foreign Policy Comparatively by Laura Neek, focusing on the different themes covered in the book. Laura Neek's book gives a comprehensive and smart examination of foreign policy analysis through a comparative lens. Each chapter delves into a particular angle of foreign policy, offering readers a nuanced understanding of the complexities included in decision-making at the national and international levels. In the chapters on rational actors and national interest, cognition and leadership orientation, and ultimate decisions, Laura Neek investigates the factors impacting foreign policy decisions, including rationality, cognitive processes, and the role of leadership in forming national interests and key choices. Through theoretical frameworks and experimental examples, Laura Neek highlights the significance of understanding decision-making forms in international relations. The book moreover delves into the effect of national culture, roles, and institutions on foreign policy behavior. Laura Neek analyzes how cultural norms, societal roles, and institutional structures shape states' approaches to international issues, advertising experiences into the different extent of impacts on foreign policy formulation and implementation. In the chapters on domestic politics, public opinion, and media, Laura Neek investigates the crossing point of domestic elements and foreign policy outcomes. She analyzes how factors such as political institutions, interest groups, and media scope impact decision-making forms and public perceptions of international issues, highlighting the complexities of exploring domestic goals in the interest of national interests. Furthermore, Laura Neek discusses different international relations theories and their suggestions for foreign policy analysis. From realism and liberalism to constructivism and basic theories, she explores how distinctive theoretical perspectives offer interesting bits of knowledge into worldwide politics and advise states' foreign policy strategies. Lastly, Laura Neek looks at the concept of an intermestic arena with linkage actors, where domestic and international issues cross. She highlights the role of non-state actors, transnational enterprises, and international teach in addressing forbid challenges such as natural debasement, human rights violations, and worldwide financial crises. Overall, Studying Foreign Policy Comparatively by Laura Neek offers a comprehensive and locks an exploration of the multifaceted nature of foreign policy analysis. Through theoretical experiences, experimental cases, and comparative analysis, Laura Neek gives readers with important tools to understand and analyze the complexities of decision-making in international relations.